So, my Flavor Buddies box came in the mail from GFuel. And we're going to go ahead and open it here. And we're going to see which of the Flavor Buddies figurines I received. Alright? Comes in this really cool box. Gonna keep the box and everything, right? Hey, look at this back here. So, this is the box. It's very, very cool. It looks like a brick wall. Like a brick building. Right there, front. And then the sides have the figurines, the collectibles you can get. It's those ones. And these three bad boys as well. And look at the back. This is sick. So cool. Let's see. And you were able to pick one flavor of GFuel to come with it. Oh, it looks like I got the cranberry. It looks like I got the cranberry. Yo, these are cool. Wow, that's really good quality too. He has a little crown on him. Hey, that's what's up. We received the cranberry. If you've never tried GFuel before, right now is a great time to pick up your first tub. These collector edition boxes with the little figurines, they're not going to be around forever. So you're gonna get a really good deal with a shaker, a whole tub of GFuel, and one of the characters. If you are interested, go to GFuel.com. Put in the code MatthewRamos1 at checkout. That's going to give you 20% off your order, and you're also going to be supporting me directly. This stuff is amazing. I've used it for over a year. It's helped me stop drinking normal coffee, soda, no crashes. Right now is a better time than ever. Go ahead and grab one of these bad boys up while they're still here. GFuel.com. Promo code at checkout, MatthewRamos1, 20% off your order. Alright? Alright. Let's get it.